Let's take visual creation. You go, well, what used to be really important is I had very fine hand-eye motor control for painting or something. And now, hey, I can go to dall-e and I can make something and it's pretty amazing and it doesn't require that motor skill. And so we go, well, that motor skill is now less economically valuable. Yes, right? Looms, weaving, etc. However, visual thinking is still super important. For example, I know some of the artists who do this stuff. I'm about to go pitch a client. Give me 30 versions in the style of myself. And I kind of go, okay, these 3 look really good, and we'll modify them a little bit, and we'll take those, right? And it's like, well, that's human creativity and that kind of judgment and edit. So your visual thinking still remains, your judgment, your ability. And now you can go a lot faster because you're not constrained by what the production of that hand motor thing is. And yes, it changes the landscape. And the person who said, I spent 20 years perfecting my drawing skills. And it's like, yeah, but that's part of progress and change. And the good news with AI is we go, well, we're trying to help group of people X learn this new thing. Well, AI can help them learn that new thing.